This is the tutorial on how to install the new U-Technology Advanced MicroBind Flex Tape to Wire connector, the smallest UNITI light connector with no voltage drop. You will need the 8mm UNITI tape light, needle nose pliers, and the connector bag. Inside the bag is 4 feet of 20 gauge wire and 2 connectors. 20 gauge is the largest that can be used with these connectors. Install the UNITI tape light into the larger opening of the connector. Peel the adhesive protector back a couple of centimeters to ensure the diode fits in the opening. Push the lighting lightly until it stops inside the connector. Now insert the wires. Be sure to match the polarity correctly. The red wire on the same side as the positive side of the tape light and the black wire on the negative side. Once locked, it does not come apart. So be sure all pieces are properly aligned, then press down on the black button to lock it in place. Use the pliers to gently press down on the black button. Now check to make sure both ends are secured with a light tug test. With power connected to the wires, you can see that it is installed correctly. This connector is the best alternative to solder and heat shrink. These connectors fit easily into our Armor Series aluminum profile.